Guys, Miguel here. Quick video doing a tire swap on my E85 Z4, going with the KUMHO ECSTA LX Platinum 235/40 ZR18 for the front, and then a 255/40 ZR18 in the back. And those tires have already been tested on this Volkswagen. They're good, 145 miles plus. It's fine. And what I'm going to be replacing are going to be these summer tires by Yokohama. These are the Yokohama ADVAN Apex V601. Very nice tire, very sticky, and basically 265/35 in the front, and then 235/40 in the 235/40 in the front 18, and then 255/35 in the rear. So monsoon season is about to come, and I don't want my kids driving the car with summer tires, so switching out to an all season that's affordable. That's it.